Okay, Spot, we see you, nigga. We see you, nigga. That shit was hard, nigga. That shit was hard.
Right.
I killed a cat though. That's all I care about.
Fuck, maybe I got shot from the window.
Oh, holy Chad.
What a fucking landing, bro.
Holy Chad.
He's someone shooting
Behind this tree line right here.
I'm not a Jew, but I hate them. I hate these Jews.
just like me.
Jump
Fuck the Jews.
Jump out.
Race? Oh my god, it is.
Thank you. Great fight.
Bring the
Thank you.
transport to Montana.
God.
Okay.
Thank you.
Turn on my brightness. If anything, try 288, that area to